Previously, on Rolling Around the Globe with Kevin Clare, we took off from our home in Wellington and headed for Santiago, Chile, before Buenos Aires, Argentina, and then on to Iguazu Falls, and then Rio de Janeiro. And this time, we fly all the way across the continent to Lima, Peru. After a 5.25-hour flight, we arrive at the airport. After a short wait, we jump in a car and head to a hotel, the Manta Hotel Lima in San Isidro. And next day, we head out for a walking tour. One of the first stops is a beautiful old hotel called Grand Hotel Bolivar, famous for Simon Bolivar, who was a key person in the independence of a lot of South American countries. Known as El Liberador, he led armies to free what are now Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia and Panama, so a bit of a hero all round.
A very impressive dome, isn't it? Lovely.
And a very cool brass key holder. You don't see those in hotels these days.
The church is named the Church of Our Lady of Mercy, okay, Nuestra Señora de la Merced. So you look.
We walked on down towards the main square of Lima.
You can look on the right side, this picture. It's a picture of a painting from 1680s, and was showing how was the main square of Lima at that time. And as you look, the square of Lima was a market of our capital. Even you can look over there, the prices of the products they were selling. Okay, pineapples at 21, chirimoyas at 22, bananas 23. Even you can look, they were selling, okay, fish, okay. And well, we can recognize some buildings at that time.
Must have known we were coming.
So this is Lima's Plaza Mayor, or main plaza, main square, and the historic heart of the city. We take a walk around and see the cathedral, the government palace, and soak up the atmosphere. Even get our own fireworks display. Pretty cool, eh? And pose for the obligatory shots.
Independence, in this month, the decoration. Yes. And well, that's our area when we celebrated the punishments, the executions. So you can imagine all the history. Well, far away, you can look that white building. Okay, that building is called Casa de la Literatura Peruana, the House of the Peruvian Literature.
Every day at midday they do a change in the guards, a very fancy dress.
Court mostly known as the Dominican Temple, because it belongs to the Dominican Order. Right. Okay. In this case, the Dominican Order is considered one of the most important religions.
And now we've made it to the Miraflores area, famous for its ocean cliffs, green parks and great shopping. Let's check it out.
winter time in Peru, it's pretty much always like this. About 20 degrees,
Yep.
but very cloudy and grey.
Yep. All the time.
All the time, apparently.
The Spanish called it the belly of a donkey, because donkeys got a grey belly.
Yeah.
We leave the tour there and head up through the shopping district of Miraflores through to a hotel in the San Isidro neighbourhood. And on the way,
Just stumbled across this old pyramid. It's made of mud bricks. It's about 1500 years old. Pucllana, Pucllana, maybe? Pucllana. So it depends on your pronunciation what it actually says, but you see they're made of really what they call bookshelf mud bricks. You sort of see the mud bricks quite well there, the bookcase style. Cool looking squirrel, big long bushy tail. Hello fella. Hello. We got some food for you? Yeah. So we're in the middle of a olive plantation. Very old olive plantation. Some of these trees are 300 or 400 years old. Probably not these ones, but further down there's some really gnarly trunks. Just walking back to a hotel after a half-day tour. We're going to go around this way. Starting to see some of the old gnarly trunks now.
planted in the 16th century by Spanish settlers, these trees have stood here for hundreds of years and remain a peaceful green space in the heart of Lima. And a great way to wind down our tour of Lima.
These ones look pretty old. A lot of them have these little trunks supporting them, little piece of wood cut off. Whoa! That was a loose stone. It comes through to a nice little lake, very popular today. There's turtles over there, you can see them. Straight ahead now. And there's some sort of heron or something there with a rat's tail on it. Oh, and there's a big koi carp down there. See the turtles?
Yeah. What's that bird called?
I don't know, I think it's maybe a heron, I don't know. It's got a big rat's tail, you see it?
Yeah.
That brings to an end a very short visit to Lima, but coming up in the next video is something really exciting. We take off for one of the highlights of our trip. Stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed to catch the next episode in the Amazon jungle, where we leave the city behind and make it to the Madre de Dios area of the Peruvian Amazon. We can't wait to show you this one. It was truly amazing, one of the best.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us high.